everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayush. Today we proudly celebrate UAE Flag Day, a day when the whole nation comes together under one flag. The UAE flag, with its bold colors of red, green, white and black, is more than just a symbol. It represents the country's unity, commitment to peace and strength. Each color on the flag holds deep significance. Red symbolizes courage, green stands for hope and prosperity, white represents peace, and black reflects strength and resilience. While waving the flag high today, we are also honoring the dreams and dedication of our leaders, and we are also celebrating the achievements of the people of the UAE. Together, let's follow our nation's values and hope for a bright and prosperous future. Happy Flag Day to all.